Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce app development costs with Appy Pie easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce app development costs with Appy Pie, start by visiting the Appy Pie website. Create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, select the option to create a new app. Choose the type of app you want to develop. You can select from categories such as business, e-commerce, education, and more. Appy Pie offers pre-built templates to help streamline your design process. Browse through the templates and select one that fits your needs. Next, customize your app by modifying the content and design elements. Use the drag-and-drop interface to add features effortlessly. Consider using Appy Pie's extensive library of tools and integrations. These can enhance your app without the need for complex coding. Set your app's primary functionalities by incorporating essential features. This may include features like push notifications, social media links, and in-app purchases. Review the app's design carefully to ensure it aligns with your brand. Once you're satisfied, proceed to the next step by selecting the publishing platform. Appy Pie supports various platforms, including iOS, Android, and web-based apps. Follow the on-screen instructions to publish your app. Make sure to utilize any available promotion options from Appy Pie for a better reach. Monitor your app's performance through Appy Pie's analytics dashboard. This will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize further. By using Appy Pie, you can significantly reduce development costs while still creating a quality app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.